Hi friends, welcome to Shreya's cooking channel. Today I'm going to make red chutney for chat recipes. For this recipe, I've taken about 10 red chilies. First, I'm going to soak this in hot water for 15 minutes. Other ingredients we need are garlic 4 to 5 pieces, jeera powder half teaspoon, black salt 1/4 teaspoon, sugar 1 teaspoon, lemon juice 1 tablespoon, water 4 to 5 tablespoons, and salt as needed. I'm going to add all the ingredients to the blender and blend it until it's smooth. If you want it to be thick, you can add less water. You can get recipes for green chutney and sweet chutney on Shreya's cooking channel. Red chutney is ready. We can add this to all Indian chat recipes. This is a very easy recipe. Try this and send your comments, and also please subscribe to Shreya's cooking channel. Thank you for watching.